U.S. slams Zimbabwe over human rights abuses. The 21st of August 2025. By correspondent, the United States has released a scathing report accusing Zimbabwe of failing to act on widespread human rights violations, including abductions and attacks on journalists and opposition voices. The report, which covers the year 2024, paints a grim picture of a country where decades of global condemnation have done little to bring about reform. According to Washington, Zimbabwe has made no real progress on basic human rights, with perpetrators of violence continuing to act with impunity. The situation remains unchanged, and in some respects worse, the report noted, warning that the continued harassment of civil society and political opponents undermines prospects for democracy and accountability. Human rights groups inside Zimbabwe have long echoed similar concerns, pointing to a pattern of state security crackdowns, arbitrary arrests, and the silencing of dissenting voices. The government in Harare has not yet issued an official response to the findings,